Hey man, thanks for tuning in. Got an EZGO with the EX1 motor. Just want to show you how to change the oil on it. I'm not going to change the oil, but I'm going to show you where to change it at and stuff. How you check the oil. It's almost like a damn four-wheeler. Got the dipstick here. There's your dipstick. And you can see, I'll get the zoom in there. All right, you can see as long as you got oil somewhere in the hash mark there, you're good. It takes like 1.2 quarts of oil, 1.3 quarts. These motors are pretty dependable, man. When they first come out, they were bad for skipping and end up being spark plug problems. Well, let me show you how to change the oil in it. We'll come to the driver's side of the car. If you look under here, you'll see there's your drain plug there. Now there is no oil filter. When you pull this out, a spring and stuff will come out. I'll just put it back how it was, but there is no external oil filter, so you can't change the oil filter. So if you get on the passenger side of the car, near the driver's side, you'll see a little plug there. Looks about like a 17 millimeter, or maybe probably 17 or 16 millimeter socket. That's how you change the oil. And whenever you go to put oil back in it, look on top of the engine, you'll see this high-tech chrome cap, boy. Chrome. And that's where you add your oil at. And like I said, like at the beginning of the video, you check it in the back of the video. You check it in the back of the motor itself, like I showed you earlier. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.